everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make character AI. Say your name so your favorite AI character can greet you personally. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Character AI app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Logging in is important because you can only edit characters from your own profile. Once you are inside the app, you will see your main dashboard. Step 2, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and select Public Profile. This section shows all the characters you have created. It allows you to manage and customize them. Step 3, choose the character you have already created that you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct character because the greeting will only apply to that specific one. Tap on it to open its profile page. Step 4, click on the 3-dot icon on the right side of the character's profile and select Edit. This icon opens the Character Settings menu. Here you can change different details about your character. Step 5, scroll down through the settings until you find the Greetings option. The greeting is the first message your character sends when a chat starts. Editing this lets you personalize how the character talks to you. Step 6, tap on Greetings and type a custom message, adding brackets with the word user inside them. This placeholder automatically uses your account name in the message. It ensures the character says your name exactly when the chat begins. Step 7, click on Save Changes to apply the updated greeting. Saving is necessary so your edits are stored properly. Without saving, the new greeting will not work. Step 8, open the character chat again to test it. When the conversation starts, your character will now greet you and say your name. This makes the interaction feel more personal and fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful
Hello everyone.
tutorials.
Hello, it's Connie Day.